there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Have you ever wondered why you never win YouTube giveaways? Well, later on in this video, I'm going to show you precisely why that might well be the case. But first of all, I wanted to give you a little bit of information that you might find useful. If you have a favorite YouTube channel and you want to be able to keep up to date with what's going on, a lot of YouTube creators use this community tab. Now you click on that and you'll be taken to that particular channel's YouTube community, where they can post little snippets of information, they can post updates, maybe post something that they forgot to mention in a previous video. That will be handy to know. All sorts of useful bits of information can be gleaned from this community tab. Now, although you can't post directly to the community tab and start a subject, if you respond to a post which is on the community tab, then the creator can reply to that comment, and therefore you can get questions answered perhaps that are more general and maybe not related to a specific video. The second one is the playlist option. Now this can go for YouTubers themselves who are creating and also those who are watching YouTube. Now, a playlist is simply a way of stashing a list of videos. I might have it all about stamp making, so I'll have a playlist for that. The next one is the watch later button. Now, you may think, oh, this is pretty obvious, but a lot of people, I think to themselves, oh, well, I'll just go back to that later on, and they forget to literally put it in the watch later category. And if you put it in the watch later, it'll come up in a list. You can scroll through your watch later, choose what you want to see and when you want to see it. Now, to activate the watch later, you look at the thumbnail of the video, and in the top right hand corner there's a little clock. You tap on that or you click on it and you get it put in your watch later list. Now here's the bit you're all waiting for, the meaty bit of this video. Why don't you ever win giveaways? And there are probably 3 reasons. Most giveaways will only be given away to subscribers who comment on videos. So you can comment as much as you like, but if you're not a subscriber, the chances are you're not going to win anything. And the reason for that is because us YouTube creators can see if you are a subscriber or not. If you're going to subscribe to a channel, you need to subscribe properly to that channel. That means you have to click on the subscribe button, it means you have to ring the bell, and it means you need to have your device notifications turned on. So if you have several devices, you have a phone, you have a laptop, you have a computer, you have an iPad, whatever it is you use the most, at least it makes sense to have those notifications turned on that particular device, even if you don't have it switched on everything else. Because that means that if you do happen to win something, you're more likely to find out about it. The next thing is that if you are subscribed, you need to make it known that you are subscribed. You need to be able to show up as a subscriber, usually, in order to win something. And you'll see from this screen that under your settings, you can have a setting that says all your subscriptions are private or they are not. If you have set your subscriptions to private, then us YouTube creators cannot see you in our list of subscribers. Now, there might be reasons why you don't want your name to be shown up, and if that's the case, fine, but you won't be winning anything. If you want to win anything, we need to be able to see that you're a subscriber, and that means having the public section ticked and not the private one. If you have it set to private, we won't know that you're a subscriber, you won't show up as one of our subscribers, and if subscription is a thing which needs to be in place in order for you to stand a chance of winning, you're not going to win anything. It's as simple as that. Now, the other thing that you might want to consider if you have a YouTube channel, and I believe in order to comment on YouTube videos, you have to have a channel, even if it's not active, you're not doing any videos or anything like that, you can have a contact email put into your information. Because if we do want to get hold of you to tell you that you've won a prize, we can't quite often, unless we can go to your own channel and click about and then see an email address, because other than that, if you don't contact us, we have no way of doing it. Now, a lot of YouTubers won't bother to contact you. If you don't claim it, that's tough. But some of us will, particularly if we're in a good mood. Which brings me to, I think it's the final point on this, comments. When we say comment on a video, what we're looking for, as a rule, is something which shows that you have watched the video, you've paid attention to it, you've liked it for a specific reason, you've enjoyed a particular part of the content. It's part of giving us feedback. Feedback is what we thrive on. If you say, oh, I like the bit where you coloured that teddy bear or that fish or something or other, we at least know that you watched part of the video and that you like that particular portion of it. If you just say, oh, great vid, that could be anybody's video. We have no idea whether you've watched ours, and you're not very likely to be picked out as a winner. So there we go. If you want to win the prizes, then you have to put in just the tiniest amount of effort. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.